Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to highlight raw in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that auto highlight raw. Now select from the all data. Now for select, then going to the format menu option. Now for click, then click for the conditional formatting option. Then click for the formula rules option, then click for, then choose the custom formula is, then click for the value of formula. Now for click, then keyboard press from the type equal, and then show the last text is the 5 and the start the F4 sorry F5, then press from the F5, then dollar sign, then again quotation and double inverted comma, and type from the any text, then again double quotation, then choose a color, then I choose color, then click with the done. That's it. Then I show auto highlight raw in Google Sheets. Now type from the example, then show the remove the auto highlight, then again highlight from the remove, that's it. Then show the auto highlight raw in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.